Aingito loka tuko tanaka intare kotomno district loko kabere maido nesda ageun kujokan kotomno da apara naka sodit district loko kabere maido nesda jaske di due elukum tediopet akwata kanyauni keda kaisa kanyauni kesi wadi kauna kanukada Aswam Aingito kotomono karu kalo kotomono namba kaloda ras isap elukum tediopet kedi kanyangon kosodi apesu kaisa eras akwata kanyeuni keda akaisa kanyare anu diop loda rai district monitor kotomono district loko kabere maido Reverend Dr. Simon Toli ngisalim daibe Aingito erai kanuka yundabe samaita idwe kojokan kumameda aitu kurian arbo mami boreni toli kesi.
Write the examination and do your best. We have come because some days there are too much noise around, too much interference, but here to tell you that we are here to protect you. We don't want many people to be there because these children are small. They begin to fear and they cannot write. But you may say, when these officials are not there, some other schools in Kampala or in India where there are thieves, they begin cheating. But we say we are going to be everywhere, in every center. No cheating, such that everybody competes at equal footing.
Naada yaita kiranu Aingito koraida manmana na kaisomere kotomno district loko kabere maido moli Monica alweyo ngesalim daebe Aingito ngesegeuna kojokan ide jamuno daebe ebet angetain kojokan.
We started the exams well this morning with mathematics in all our centers. Well, thank God that there was no rain in the morning like it used to be. I want to also thank the head teachers for working hard to bring back our candidates to class, especially those who had kind of dropped out due to other challenges, and then a few that had thought of getting married. I thank them for looking for them and bringing them back. We have a case where a child was able to be brought from Mukono up to Kabera Maido today to come and do the exams. And those that were brought back, that one center had two girls who had gone into marriage, but the teacher labored to bring them back and they did their exams. And then we've not had any case of a breastfeeding candidate like we had previously. However, I cannot rule it out that there is no one who is pregnant. It is hard to tell, but maybe at the end of the exercise we'll be able to get that statistics to know. But so far so good.
Michael Onyenge, TV East, Kabere Maido District.